Hello fellow traders, I'm coming at you a second time tonight. I was just checking out the S&P, just wanted to share a couple things with you with the S&P. It's ironic how things work out the way they work out, how right now, like I just showed on the Dow, we're battling November's closing lows, and on the S&P we're battling a closing low also, just not November's lows. We're also on the downtrend double nut and tapped off the 50 today. Why I didn't shed my whole position hitting the 50 today, I'm going to show you why. Right here on the S&P, this is when the Dow was like at 9,200. This is when I went all cash. Okay, I started doing my blog kind of like when Obama became president, somewhere down here. Okay, but see how we hit the 50-day twice there, and then we did our big shakeout. I'm gambling a little bit right now, but I'm betting we're gonna break through this time. And I showed you that trend that I'm shooting for. This is the one that's gonna be a little tougher than I think this 50-day right now. And why I think that is because we've already hit it twice. So I think we're gonna bust through it and hit the 875-ish and then come back to the 50. So that's my call, and that's why I only dumped a little SSO today near the close. If you were started to build a position right here at 750 and you were still buying down here at 670-ish, you're right. Right now, I'm not going to argue. All cash. See where it goes. You can always get back in the market. I'm just trying to maximize my gains. Okay, I had stock up here at like the 800 level, and luckily I sold some of my Schwab, a good chunk of it, at 16 before this downturn. If you've been following me, I was kind of loading up on Disney on the way down. I swapped to my SSO. So I'm just trying to maximize my gains right here. I've definitely shedded about half of my position. Okay, my full position that I built down to here, I'm lighting up about halfway, so I'm still riding half of my position right now. I want to try to be all cash around 875 for the pullback to the 50-day, and then if it's real, we'll make our move up towards 1,000, Dow 10,000. But see what happened today? There's this closing low that we're battling. It's really not that major, Let me draw this one right here. See how that one's a little up even. So that one's, see how we went through that. If you follow that one I just drew, I know it's getting busy, but see, that's a positive. Remember, more like an art, less like a science. What do you see? So see how we tested this, and then we closed above this downtrend I just showed you, and we dinked off the 50. I'm telling you, if we get through the 50, we can have a big update. This could push us up and bring the Dow through those key levels tomorrow and Friday. Okay? We could go a little sideways, because you see how the deep V, we went down and up, what I call the shakeout. They shook a lot of people out down there, and now we could actually, it went boom, boom. Now we're going to kick up here like a reverse head and shoulders, and then continue up. I just feel the run will be done before May, because we'll drift down through the summer to October. That's just my call. I hope I'm right. things are looking good right now. I just wanted to share the S&P with you. You know, I run out of time on these blogs, and the Dow is more important, but the S&P is still important. It's just not at too major of a line. Yeah, it's a double nut, but we've already cleared November lows. So let's hope we get through the 50 and we pull the Dow through the November lows through the 7,500. Good luck.